It's not meant to be gentle.
Oh, y'all sorry. No.
I am the target.
Okay,
What
What is y'all doing?
We just saying.
Okay, but they don't saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
My nigga ain't did nothing. He
Get
just
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Dang.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no money.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to be. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's swamp. It ain't hard to fix. Come on, man. We might, but come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me?
No, but what the
I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay? Time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you, man.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on that.
Outside. I don't care if you wait on you leave. Okay?
No, not too much of my sister though.
Let's go.
Oh, tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go.
My cousin either.
Go. Go.
You look at him more, bitch. Shut the fuck up.
Go.
You work at him more. You ain't working nowhere. You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You
go.
ain't working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
Quick update. Police can touch you. Okay, you can't not touch police, but police can touch you.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that?
Don't touch him again.
Excuse me? He's going to listen or he's going to go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
Four Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Never get off me.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this harder than what it has to be.
No, my listening on the top.
I understand, but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your name?
My name's Caleb.
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Just trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
trying to get my ball.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody get this
No, you're not listening to me.
off me. Look, what the fuck is wrong with you? Look,
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give a what the fuck. Look, I don't give a fuck. Get the fuck off me. What the fuck wrong with you? Man, nigga, get the fuck off me.
Four Delta 2, send me units in 18. One's wanting to fight with me.
Holy baby. Look, bro. Look, bro.
Go down.
No, you're doing that. Get the
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud. Got them up. Nah, man, bro.
Get off of here.
Back up. Let go or you be checked. Get on the ground.
Okay, look at here. Here. Look at I'm trying to get. Look at that.
It's not meant to be gentle.
Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, what the? Look at get the off me.
Oh, my brother.
Look at that. Doing that. Man, what the? Stop.
Stand up.
Look, I can't.
Stand up.
Look at it.
You can get up.
I hope you're happy, bro.
Get my Everybody get watch out! Watch out! He ain't going right out. Handcuffs on, man. Let's go. Let go. Come here. Let go. Well, you man, get your goddamn hands off. Hey.
Hey, chill out.
Shot. Take out. Go with this. Take out. Oh no! Watch out! Let me get my phone. No, come here. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Man, get the f off me, cop. I don't even move like that. I don't get your phone. My phone is over there.
Come on, Jacob.
No idea. You get your phone? We ain't shopping anymore.
Why you going back? My friend, why you going back? Why you going back?
So you can turn around and leave the store right
Damn
now.
phone! Shit!
Hey, where's your phone then?
I'm going to get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can
You're getting the fucking car, bro. You are definitely getting the car.
y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no one.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, bro.
That man waited his whole life to say that.
Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first, look? God damn! If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off! Look, bro,
Get in the car.
You either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute. Look, bro, wait. Can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs. Move your legs.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f***? That hurt. Ah!
Now it's sir, right? Now it's sir.
My.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right
I
now.
don't want this handcuffs.
You should be in handcuffs. You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside and handcuff.
Go. Come on.
You think I'm doing?
Wherever you're at. Come on.
Hell, God, he's tweaking.
Alright. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. Don't fix it.
I respect, I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in.
Go home. Go home.
Good, sir? Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Webb and Cutter with him.
They're all out now.
But bro, what the f, bro? I was leaving.
Huh?
We can't leave.
No,
It's
you're
gonna be
not.
all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She answered the phone.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am, you have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go,
fingerprint
boy?
it.
Come on, man. That makes fella.
Oh, where you going?
Oh God, I'm gonna walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming any closer. Stop and walk down there.
You can sit right there.
Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Say we can come over there.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald. Now
The
walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over
Exactly.
here.
Ain't y'all
You
say
got
ring?
pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that
Shit,
way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
Hey, what the f you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep.
that way.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. What the
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car. All right? All right, turn around, put your hands in your back.
I'm not, don't touch me.
Nope,
I didn't
turn
do
around, put your hands in your back.
God, like what the f? Tighten up. I'm standing here. No. You can get out my face. As long as I ain't, whatever the sounds what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Y'all doing?
Stand up.
If I'm just sitting down playing.
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
What the I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all sweet.
Y'all not taking both my brother. Y'all
Sweet dog, but I didn't touch not a damn person.
I ain't even doing
I'm not gonna do a step on my phone.
phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the fuck you mean? I didn't touch no.
Bro, that's family, man.
Do you want to get tased? Put your hand behind
Bro,
your
he
back.
didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting here.
No, y'all tweet.
Didn't do anything, just take it to court. But don't resist arrest.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit. What the
Stop resisting.
Stop me, man.
Stop resisting.
Don't do man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get in my soul, man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Move your legs.
And you just scratched the fuck out my face. Man, let me the fuck go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Bro, no one. Let me, bro. Y'all niggas rolling. Get my motherfucker.
Got it.
Oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, cuz. Don't touch my. I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that.
Huh?
Man,
You're under arrest.
get in the car. Out. Take the. Ooh, take the badges off, cuz.
The suspects shown were arrested on felony obstruction and disorderly conduct charges. The suspects in this case are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
I'm not trying to be a smart ass right here, but they were trying very hard to be arrested. So everyone, I'm Brandon with In-Service Bodycam. Subscribe and take a look at the playlist so you can see one of the best selections of bodycam footage in the whole YouTube. See ya!